Hello traders, I want to talk about the dollar yen as a long-term position trade because I genuinely do believe that dollar yen is a very excellent buying opportunity. In a previous video that I posted on my website a few months back, I said that the buy signal had been triggered because of this price bar here is a reversal signal, and we broke. That was the bar, and we took out the high of the bar, clearly took it out, and then that was the trigger for me for the buy signal, and that's also an all-time low on the dollar yen. So then if you look at the previous video on my website, you'll know what I'm talking about. But if you go to the daily, at the time I drew this Fibbo study from here to there, up here, and I said that the price could come back down lower, and you can, if you've got the nerve, you can add to this buy signal on the way back down. That's what I've been doing. I've continuously added to this position, this long position, and don't get me wrong, it's given me some pain because when I called this signal, it's back in March, so that's a fair few months ago now. So I've been in this trade all this time. I'm still long dollar yen, and I've continuously added to that long trade. Now that's a dangerous thing to do, but if you have strong belief in what you're doing, which I do have, and you watch your money management, you should be fine. So I'm in dollar yen. I've added positions all the way down here. I added one around here, another one around here, and there's some more down here. So I've got quite a few positions on dollar yen myself, long. Okay, now if I take this Fibonacci retracement study out, what do I see? Well, we've had some blips back up. Continuously the market just keeps on buying the yen and selling the dollar, and once the Bank of Japan intervened once, that's what caused this initial spike up, but it didn't help. It came all the way back down again. So I've been reading about this, and the Bank of Japan wants to intervene again because the yen being this highly priced, it's not good for exports, it's not good for the economy in Japan. So the Bank of Japan wants to intervene again. So I genuinely do believe that the dollar yen is going to retrace sooner or later. Now, to add to that, if we look at this daily price action, I'm just looking around here. To be honest, it's not really clear that it's going to go up yet, but based on the fact that back in March I'd already called the bullish trade, had been triggered, we came back down, came all the way back down, to be honest, which was quite surprising, came back down almost 1,000 points to test that low again, which was along here. Let's draw that in. We tested the low again, and prices rejected it again on that blue line. Prices rejected it and has since retraced. I seriously believe this will eventually come back up. Now, to add to my decision, if I go to a weekly here, I draw a MACD. It's classic bullish divergence on MACD, guys. Here's what I'm talking about. If you take this point here, for example, no, this is a better one, sorry, just here, that point there, and this point here, those 2 points, so you've got there and there, those 2 points. Now, what's price doing at those 2 points? Price got lower, as you can see. What's MACD done? Price is much higher. Classic bullish divergence on MACD. MACD chart is got higher, whereas the price has got lower. So bullish price action. Bullish MACD, bearish price action. But that's classic bullish divergence. So another signal. We're at all-time lows. We've had that bullish signal on the weekly. If you want to take this position trade, I seriously think it's a great trade. Up to you if you take it, obviously. You can't rely purely on indicators, because we've had back here, we've had a similar setup. We've had bullish MACD, look very bullish, whereas price during that period just kept going lower. So it doesn't always work, but most of the time it does. And the fact that we're at that all-time low, and the fact that we've had that bullish price action on the weekly time frame back in March, I really believe solidly that dollar yen is going up. Just waiting for the Bank of Japan to intervene now to push this higher. So long-term trade, guys, is not for scalpers. This could take months and months. I don't know how long it could take, but the rewards here, potential rewards, are magnificent. If I take away these indicators, you can see, don't forget this is a weekly chart, you know, you're talking potentially hundreds and hundreds of pips, 2,000 pips maybe, who knows, but it's due to come back up, guys. It's just not good for the Japanese economy at the moment, having the yen so strong, so they will intervene. And if it's anything like the Swiss franc's just done, the Swiss franc has just changed direction because their banking system, they got involved and said, look, we're not having this anymore. They will do whatever is necessary to weaken the franc, which I'm sure the yen, Bank of Japan is probably going to do as well. They're going to try and weaken the yen because it's really not good for their economy. Okay, there's the analysis, guys. Long term, buy dollar yen. I'm very confident about it. It's up to you if you take it, though, obviously. Thank you. Bye bye.